Hello everyone, welcome back to my 30-day Power BI series where we explore essential Power BI features to make your dashboards more interactive and insightful. Okay, so today on the 11 we'll be diving into the tile slicer, an incredible tool for filtering and enhancing the user experience in your report. Let's get started. So first tell me, what is a tile slicer? Okay, so this tile slicer is a type of slicer in Power BI that allows users to filter the data. In the previous video, also we have seen a slicer. Even that slicer allows you to filter the data visually. But here the layout is different. Okay, so they are specially helpful when you want to present filtering options in an aesthetically pleasing and intuitive way. So this is ideal for dashboards where a space and design matters. Okay, so let's get started. So this is our Power BI. So here we have a data or data as orders here. Okay, what I do here is first I'll select a clustered column chart here, and here I'll be giving a sales in the y axis and for product category in the x axis. So this is our column chart. We created that. So now here what we are going to learn here is we are going to learn a new slicer. So in the previous video we have learned the slicer, but here we have one more slicer, that is your tile slicer. Okay. Yes. So now in the tile slicer, what I do here is I'll give a product subcategory in the field here. Okay. So see the layout is in the form of a tiles here. When I click on the appliances, you can see the data of an appliances. When I click on bookcases, you can see the data of the bookcases. All right. So now when we go to the format your visual, here you have a slicer setting. See, in this slicer we had a drop down and a vertical, but here we don't have those options here. Okay, here what you can do here is you have only the single select, force select and show select all. So when I click on the show select all, you can see that you get a options called select all. When I click it, so all your tiles, all the options will be selected, and you can see the data in the clustered column chart as well. Okay, yes. So now here when you scroll it down, here you have a shapes. Okay, in the shapes you have a three different shapes. Either you can keep a tile shape as a rectangle or a rounded rectangle. Okay, so you can set its size here, like the corner size you can set it. Okay, round corner size, yeah. And customize styles also if you want to on and just see top corner how much it should be, top right corner. Okay, and here bottom left corner, bottom right corner. So the four corners you can customize these corners. Okay, so yes, so let me turn off this customize column now. Okay, yes. Okay, so now here we are done with the shapes. So what we do here is let's look at the layouts here. Okay, in the layouts we have a arrangement. So maybe in a grid arrangement also, grid also you can give it, and single column. So see single columns you can give it, and here single row. So there are three things here: single row, single column, and the grid. So however you want, you can give it here. Okay, and you can just decrease the sizes as well here. Okay, yeah, perfect. All right, so now here you can see the styles. Either you can give it in a cards. Okay, or else you can give it in a tables. So how many buttons to be shown, even that you can give it in a row, a maximum buttons to be shown. All right, yeah, so that is your layout section. Here we have a background. So in the background, you can give a background as well. So let me turn it on the background here. So you can give a background color. See, the background color is applied here, and the transparency you can set it here. So like how dark or how light you want it. So here I'll give it to 7 here. See, yes. Now when you scroll it down, you have borders. Okay, so this images I'll tell you in the next video. Here we have a borders and grid line, so you can give a borders and grid line as well here. Customized line you can give it. Okay, the transparency is 32. I have given line style. You can give color with everything, you can just select it. So to make your slicer tile slicer attractive. Okay, now it's a flawless. Now I if I give a dashed here, you can see the dash, the borders. Okay, borders will be in the form of a dash. Wait, let's just give a color here. Yes, so see here it's very small. Wait, let's give a dark color. Here you can see this is a dashed here. Okay, dashed line style is dashed and dotted. If you want to give, you can give a dotted. Okay, the line slide, but I'll select a solid here. Okay, and I'll turn off this customize line. Okay, so this borders is done. Now overflow. See here in the overflow, we have a continuous scroll or paginated. Okay, so see this is a paginated here. All right, and continuous scroll. This is your continuous scroll. You can give it here. We can scroll it, but when I give a paginated here, you cannot scroll it. Okay, it's like it's fixed here. Only this many things. All right, so here overflow directions also you can give either vertical or a horizontal. Let's give a vertical. Okay, yes. Then we have a call out values. Okay, in the call out values, here you can give a hover. Okay, now it's a default. Hover means like whenever I take my mouse on any of the style. Okay, what can I do here is it has to change the color to this pink color. Okay, and the bold. Yes, so see, let's give a hover here. Okay, yes, so see the color, the text color you can see it's changed to a pink here. Okay, let's give a transparency. Yeah, all right, so like any dark color, if you want to see orange, let's give a orange here. Okay, so you can see it here, the color of the employees change, copiers, bookcases, chairs. Okay, so here now if I want to give a press, when it is pressed, I'll give a different color here. When I press it, okay, it has to give a different color here. See, okay, what, wait, let me do one thing. Let's selection, let's give it a single select. Okay, here now you can see it here in the press. Okay, yeah, then if you want to give it a selected, and here you can give a color. So see the selected colors has been changed. This is selected, now the color of this is changed. Okay, so this is how it works. Selected, mixed also you can give it. Okay, so here you can give a different color for a mixed also. All right, so just what you can do is just play around with these things, and horizontal alignments, left, center, and the right alignment you can give. And here you have a display units, show blank. Okay, so and the last one is your labels. When you scroll it down, you have labels here. You can turn on and turn it off. Labels. And if you go in a general, there is a title, it's on, you can turn off. I don't want the title. Okay. So here it means that the appliances and all these are the subcategories. I know that. Okay. So here also in the general you have a effect, so you can give a effect, background effect. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off, or else you want to give any color, you can give it there. Okay, so like the visual borders also we have, you can give a visual borders. Okay, it's a black. What we can give it here? Yeah, so this, Yes, so see this, the visual borders will be changed. Okay, this borders will be changed here. All right, so let me turn it off that. And here you want to give a shadow, you can turn on the shadow. Okay, see, yeah, colors, shadow also you can give here. See the shadow. Okay, here you can give a outside or inside shadow you want it. You can give it an inside shadow, or the bottom right, bottom left, wherever you want a shadow, you can give that shadow here. All right. Yes. So let me turn it off that now. Okay. Now let's scroll down, and here you have a data format. So what is the data format? A product apply settings to, where you want to apply the settings so that you can give it here. Okay. Yeah, text format. The data is in the form of a text. So text format, let's give it. And here we have format options. That is your text options. And here we have a header. So you can give a headers also. Okay, for different like backgrounds, border, and icon headers you can give. And here we have icons also, visual information, whichever you want, you can give it. Okay, so everything is on here, like filter is also no on here, and see data layout, focus mode, pin, drill up, drill down. Okay, so this is the general settings, general icons what you see on the chart. Okay, so we have, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use style slicer in your projects. Until next time, happy analyzing.